Inside your child's home literacy learning pack, you will find a resource entitled Elkonin Boxes. This sheet of paper can be inserted into the Smart Pal to be used. Elkonin Boxes help children to build upon their phonological awareness skills by segmenting or breaking down words into individual sounds or phonemes. Using Elkonin Boxes allows children the opportunity to investigate and record words by recording each sound or phoneme contained within the word in each box. Here are some examples. In the word cat, we can hear 3 sounds: k, a, t. Therefore, each letter is placed in an individual box as they make 1 sound each. In the word shop, S and H is placed together in 1 box as together they make the sound sh. O, p are then placed in individual boxes as they make 1 sound each. In the word faster, each letter makes 1 sound. So we have f, a, s, t, e, r. Therefore, they are all placed in an individual box. In the next example, speeding, we have double E or double A that make the E sound, and we have ng, which make the ng sound. So in this word, we would have sp in an individual box, the double E together as they make 1 sound, d, e and ng at the end as the n and g make 1 sound. Elkonin Boxes cannot be used for common or tricky words or for words that contain split phonemes. The following example will demonstrate why. The last example we have is the word square. So in the word square we have s, k, a, r. Now, with this example, we have magic E at the end for a split phoneme. Therefore, the E is not making a sound on its own, it's helping the A to say A. However, the 2 letters cannot go into 1 box as that is an incorrect spelling. Therefore, using Elkonin Boxes for split phonemes does not work, as the letter E or E is not making a sound on its own, or together beside another letter. Elkonin Boxes can also be used to help with blending at home, and here are some activities that you can do with your child. So for example, with the word car, children can dot underneath. Instead of writing the letter, they can do dots in the Elkonin Boxes to represent the sounds in the words. So for example, for the word car, they would have 3 dots for each letter for representing each sound: k, a, r. You can also use toys at home to help you with blending. So for example, with this Thomas train, I am going to start at the beginning of the word and sound each letter out slowly as I move the train along. K, a, r. I can then move the train quicker along underneath the word to then blend the letters together. K, a, r. And then again faster. Car. We hope you find this video useful. Thanks for watching.